The ECO paint spray gun has a 1.4 mm nozzle. Here is the jet adjustment wheel, the needle adjustment wheel, and that of the airflow. Here is the nozzle head at 1.4 mm. It unscrews easily. Here is the nozzle. To reassemble the nozzle head, it must be screwed in until it is in a horizontal position. The 600 ml plastic cup is light and resistant. The air inlet with its 1/4 thread. The adjustment wheel allows you to modify the shape of the jet for a triangular shape or a pointed jet. The needle adjustment knob allows the stopper to be advanced or retracted. Normally, this stop is left as far back as possible. The last dial increases or decreases the airflow. Here is the disassembly of the ECO 1.4 pistol. Unscrew the knob completely. Remove needle and spring. It is important to clean the needle well. Remove the nozzle head. A box of cleaning and dismantling tools is delivered with the gun, in which there is a 19 spanner to unscrew the nozzle. It is important to thoroughly clean the inside of the nozzle. Cleaning must of course be carried out with suitable cleaning thinner. Using the brush, clean the inside duct of the gun. Here's how to place the mini filter for the bucket. Its use is optional and not recommended when using pearl and metallic paints. Screw the paint cup back on. Then the nozzle. Gently squeeze. Carefully insert the needle. Screw back the spring is the knob. Then the nozzle head. To test the correct operation of the gun, water or thinner can be used.